If you need to remove a device from your DoorDash account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is secure and only linked to the devices you use. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon in the top corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account or Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Manage Devices. Look for an option labeled Manage Devices or Device Management. This section will show you all the devices currently linked to your DoorDash account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Find the device you wish to remove from the list. Tap on it to view more details and options related to that device. Step 5. Remove the device. Choose the option to remove or disconnect the selected device. Confirm your choice if prompted, and the device will be removed from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove devices linked to your DoorDash account. Regularly checking your account settings can help maintain your security and privacy.